welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at Vectors exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from my Vectors Key Points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So our first question says A is equal to the vector -4 - 1 and B is equal to the vector 3 - 1. Circle the vector that's equal to 2A plus B. So we need two lots of vector A, which is -4 - 1, added together with one lot of vector B, which is 3 - 1. So that's going to give us -8 - 2 plus 3 - 1. So we're just going to add across. So we've got -8 plus 3 is -5 and -2 plus -1 is -3. So our 2A plus B vector is -5 - 3. So our next question says, is BCD a straight line? Show working to support your answer. So to see if it is a straight line, we want to work out the vectors of each bit of the line, and then if it is one continuous line, we'll be able to times the vector of BC by a number, and it'll equal the vector of BD, because BD is the same line in the same direction, just a little bit longer. So let's start off by working out the vector for BC. So we can't just go straight there because we don't know the length of the line or the direction, so we're going to have to go via point A. So we're going to go from B to A and then from A to C. So B to A is 5A minus 2B, and then from A to C, the length of the line is 3A plus B, but it's going in the opposite direction, so it's going to be minus 3A minus B. So then we can gather up our like terms. We've got 5A minus 3A, so that's 2A. We've got minus 2B minus B, so that's minus 3B. So now we can have a look at the line BD. So again, we can't just go straight there because we don't know the length of the line or the direction. We're going to have to go via point A again. So we're going to go from B to A and from A to D. So B to A is 5A minus 2B, and then A to D is plus 3A minus 9B. So we can gather up our like terms. We've got 5A plus 3A, so that's 8A, and minus 2B minus 9B is minus 11B. So if BCD is a straight line, we're going to be able to times the vector BC by a number and get the vector BD. If we can times it by a number, it shows that it's the same line, just a little bit longer. So to get from 2A to 8A, we times by 4. So let's times the vector for BC by 4 minus 3B. So if we expand that out, that gives us 8A minus 12B, which is not equal to the vector for BD, which was 8A minus 11B, so this proves that it's not a straight line. So our last question says A, B, C, D and E is a pentagon. Show that BCDE is a parallelogram. So thinking about what we know about parallelograms, the two long sides are going to equal the same length and the two short sides are going to equal the same length. So if this shape is a parallelogram, the vector BE is going to be equal to the vector CD, and the vector BC is going to be equal to the vector ED. So we need to go about proving this. So let's start with vector B to A. So we can't go straight down that line because we don't know anything about it, so we're going to have to go via point A. So B to A is plus A and A to E is plus 2B, so we're travelling the right directions down those lines. So vector BE is equal to A plus 2B. So for this shape to be a parallelogram, we need that one to be equal to the vector of CD, so let's work out that one next. So CD, we can't go straight down that line again because we don't know anything about it, so we're going to have to go via point E. So from C to E, we're going B minus 2A but we're going in the wrong direction. So from C to E is minus B plus 2A. And then E to D, we're going in the wrong direction again. So that is going to be minus A plus 3B. So let's gather up our like terms. We've got 3B minus B is 2B, and 2A minus A plus A. So we've proved that that vector is equal to BA. So we can put that equal to the vector of BA. So now let's have a look at the vector for BC. So again, we're not able to go straight down that line. This time we need to go via point E. So we know BE now, that's A plus 2B. And from E to C, we're going plus B minus 2A. We're travelling the right way down that line this time. So let's gather up our like terms. So we've got A minus 2A is minus A, and 2B plus B is 3B. So for this shape to be a parallelogram, we need that vector to be equal to the vector of ED. So we've been given the vector from D to E, so we're travelling the wrong way down the line. So it's going to be minus A plus 3B, which is equal to BC. That's equal to the vector of BC. So because these two sets of lines are equal to each other, we've proved that this must be a parallelogram. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.